Have you ever wanted to save songs and videos you stream online but found the process time-consuming, complicated, or both? Are you tired of being spammed with ads on YouTube converter sites or having your extensions stop working because YouTube made them obsolete? I have a solution for you. Flash Video Downloader. You can find it at addons.opera.com/en/extensions/details/ffd-video-downloader. I personally use it with Opera, but it should work with all major browsers. Just install it, allow the extension to show in your toolbar, and go to the video you want to download. For example, let's go to NCS YouTube. Now play it. The FVD icon should now be blue. Click on it and select the video. And done! If you're looking to download videos as audio, check the description box for a little something special. Now let's check out the audio. It should work on any audio that's streamed, but I'm going to go to my latest song on Newgrounds just for an example. Same thing. Click the blue icon, select the file, and done. Now, what about SoundCloud? Because I know that SoundCloud charges artists to let you download their songs. I'll pick another one of my songs. Now let it load, click it, and done. Basically, anywhere there's streamed audio or video, you're set. If you like this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more. Good hunting!